What if the number printed right over here on the side of your RV tire is exactly the reason you're risking a catastrophic blowout? It sounds crazy, but it's one of the most dangerous mistakes I see RVers make. You look at the tire and see max PSI, or you check that little sticker on your rig. You inflate the tires to that number. Done. But here's the hard truth. That number is a limit, not a recommendation. And inflating to max without knowing your RV's actual weight is a recipe for disaster. It leads to premature wear, a punishing rough ride, and terrible handling. Worst of all, it dramatically increases your risk of a total tire failure at 70 miles per hour. Hi, my name is John, and today I'm going to show you the simple two-step fix that pros use. This will give you a safer ride, make your tires last longer, and give you true peace of mind on the road. So let's break it down why this is such a big deal. The max PSI number is for when the tire is carrying the absolute maximum weight load. Think of it like this. Unless you've loaded your RV with solid granite, you're not at a max load. When you overinflate for your actual weight, the tire bulges in the middle. This creates a smaller contact patch with the road. That means less traction, longer braking distances, and a rig that feels unstable and bounces over every little bump. It's not just uncomfortable, it's dangerous. So how do we find the correct pressure? It's a simple two-step process. Start by weighing your axles. Let's use a real-world example. My Monaco RV has a rear axle rated at 13,500 pounds, but you'll want the actual weight from a certified scale. So say you load up and the scale shows 12,120 pounds on the rear axle, well within the safe limit. You have dual tires on that axle, 4 total, so divide the axle weight by 4. 12,120 divided by 4 equals 3,030 pounds per tire. Get your axle weights. Now for step 2, do not look at the tire sidewall. Instead, go online and find the official load and inflation chart from the tire manufacturer. Example, Goodyear, Michelin, Hankook, they all have them. On that chart, find the tire size, look for the load capacity for a single tire configuration, and find the weight that matches or exceeds your number. Let's cover a few critical things that could trip people up. First, what about that sticker inside your RV's door? It's a good starting point, but it assumes generic weight and the original factory tires. There have even been manufacturer recalls for incorrect place card data. Your actual weighted load and the tire chart are always more accurate. Always trust your scale weight. Second, temperature changes everything. For every 10-degree drop in ambient temperature, your tire pressure will drop by 1 psi. So if you set your tires on an 80-degree day and drive into the mountains where it's now 40 degrees, you've already lost 4 psi and now it's underinflated. The rule is always check your tire pressure cold before you start driving for that day. And the best way to monitor this is with a TPMS, tire pressure monitoring system. It gives you live pressure and temperature data right in your cab. It will alert you instantly to a slow leak or a tire that's overheating, letting you pull over before it blows. I consider this a non-negotiable piece of safety gear. Finally, check your tire's birthday. On the sidewall, find the DOT code. The last 4 digits are the week and the year it was made. RV tires often age out before they wear out. Even if the tread looks perfect, the rubber gets brittle, and most experts agree you should replace them every 5 to 7 years, no matter what. So let's bring it all home. Weigh your loaded RV to know your actual weight. Use your tire manufacturer's inflation chart to find the correct PSI for that weight. Always check your pressure cold and invest in a TPMS for real-time safety. This isn't just about saving money on tires. It's about protecting your investment and your vacation and your family. It's that important. If this video helped you, please hit that like button and share it with fellow RVers who need to see this. I put links to everything I talked about, a CAT scale locator, and links to popular tire charts down in the description and in the pinned comment. If this helped you avoid even one mistake, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel. Now, if you want my best tips for finding free campsites, grab my free ebook, let's talk about boondocking. There's a link also in the description and the pinned comments. Until next time, be safe on the road and happy RVing.